Multiply 64.59 by 4.5 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Put 5 in this column and carry 4. 5 times 5 plus the carried 4 is 29. Put 9 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 22. Put 2 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 6 plus the carried 2 is 32. The first partial product is 32,295. Now use the next digit to the left, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 9 is 36. Put 6 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 5 plus the carried 3 is 23. Put 3 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 6 plus the carried 1 is 25. The second partial product is 258,360. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 9 plus 6 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 3 plus the carried 1 is 6. In the thousands column, 2 plus 8 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 3 plus 5 plus the carried 1 is 9. In the 100,000s column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 290,655. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 290,655 becomes 290.655. So 64.59 times 4.5 is 290.655.